am Shantae Marie. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new to the Swank Nation, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you have been rocking with me for a minute, thank you so much. Especially for all you ladies who commented on my third to last video with the lace frontal mix with box braids install. I appreciate you guys. And I know you guys had a lot of questions and concerns, and I went ahead and posted a Q&A. So if you missed that, don't ask me the same questions. Like, just go to that video. It's all love. But so this video today is kind of in reference to it. I'm gonna piggyback off of that video, and it's more so for those who had questions such as, oh, what if you don't have alopecia like your client? Can I also install do the same method? Yes, you can. Someone else asked, hey, can you do locks with the lace frontal or passion twist? Yes, you can. It does not matter what is your protective style using that method, as long as you get it done, right? You want to make sure that it's seamless, you're hiding the lace, or whatever method you're going to use. So in this video, I want to go ahead and show you ladies how I do the same thing, but instead I'm going to do crochet twist, right? So what I have in. So this is a unit that I created. I might have it available on my website in like 2 days, depending on how much views I get. But I will have twist available. I also have 2 units, dummy units, so that you ladies can see. For everyone who asked, is it possible? Yes, it is. So this is the back of it, or the bottom of it. And right now I have regular length. This is medium size goddess locks, okay? And the hairline is not tweezed, it's not plucked, it's not customized, hence the reason why all this hair is left out. I don't know the shape of your head, whatever the case may be, but this definitely is a 13 by 4 inch lace frontal. I did go ahead and enlighten the knot just for photo purposes, and I also have here box braids, okay, and this is also regular length. So when I say regular length for me, for my services, regular length is mid-back. Mid-back is your bra strap. Then you have waist length. Right now I have waist length rope twisting, okay? So these units are specifically for alopecia clients, whereas you want braids, you want, you know, goddess locks, and you don't want to wear a wig, and it's hard for you to achieve that look, or your stylist and they're turning you away. This is another alternative. I would recommend, if you're gonna do this, I would recommend a 13 by 6 closure. Like the 13 by 4 is cool and all, but I feel like when you have a 13 by 6, you have more coverage, and it's better because it's not on the top of your head. Like it's literally back here, kind of half of your head, but not really. But it gives you more space to play around with your parts, to play around with your hairstyle. So going forward, my ladies, I would definitely suggest a 13 by 6. You do not have to purchase it off my website. You can make it yourself. But I just want to give you guys a heads up before I deep dive into this video. I did have 40 pre-twisted crochet twists, and it wasn't enough. So I had to like move my twist around, like take some out, put it in, and then I had like an extra pack, so I was able to like take 9 out. But each pack, I divided it all in 8 sections. So that's the thickness for this size. You can do like a smaller medium, meaning that the thickness of your twist or whatever braid or whatever, it doesn't have to be as thick. So if you don't like it to look this full, and that's without me even putting hair everywhere, okay? So I want to say, plus I had an additional one. Yeah, so I did 50, and then whatever was hair. Why am I doing it like this? Why not wear wigs? Some people just want to have access to their scalp, and you know, also this method helps, whereas if you want to take this off in a week, sit it down for another month, you don't have to sit down the whole 8 hours or so just to redo it. It'll be in your closet. This took me like literally probably an hour and a half to install. If that. That's with also recording, so it was like an hour and a half. But I also had to go back and twist some hair. So it probably would have been like an hour. It probably would have been like an hour if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, it was a quick install. So because I'm gluing the front down and I didn't leave any hair out as shown in my previous video, because I'm not going to do any type of twisting on my hair, I'm going to add some spring wig clips, probably 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, just to make sure that I secure the back. And the way how I designed the lace frontal is for the gap to be filled, okay? So however it lays, you won't be able to see the ending of the frontal, if that makes any sense. But again, you can sew it down if you want to, or whatever works for you. But for me, because I want to just, once I take my glue off, I just want to pop this bad boy off. The clip-ins comes in handy. I won't be using the ones that snap into place because I feel like that will create too much tension and is not as flat as the spring wig clip.